hope I'm not attacked by Loki. This is Loki's fault. Stupid aliens dare challenge me, but I have to find Loki. I found you instead. Let's go find the power crystals. They're not here. Maybe they're under here. I'll teleport all of us out of here. Get the guy over there. I have to stop Luke. He's probably in this portal.